Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. AI has been everywhere these days, and it's slowly creeping into all my production software. And that's one of the main reasons I upgraded to the new M4 Pro Mac Mini. They designed that machine with AI and machine learning in mind. And a few weeks ago, I stumbled across this video enhancer from a company called AIarty. It's like a magic wand you can use to just enhance your videos and make them look great again. There are 3 AI models that you can choose from, and it really just depends on the clip that you're trying to clean up. There's Mo Detail, and just like the name says, it improves the detail, the sharpness, the clarity. It also balances the color and adds some denoising. Smooth HQ, from what I can tell, it takes the original clip and just, kind of finesses it around. It also denoises it. And then there's Super Video HQ. And I use that on a few high ISO videos, and it really does work. It tightened up the details, it knocked down the noise, and I don't know if it actually did anything to change the color, but the clips did seem pretty crisp afterwards. And on top of all that, the software actually lets you upscale the videos, so you can go way past 2K. It applies slow motion and also allows you to clean up audio. And the best part is that you don't have to spend a lot of time reading a manual to figure out how this works. Just load a file, click on each model, and just kind of see what's working with each one. And for this demo, I'm using the complete default settings right out of the box. I'm not changing anything. And I grabbed 4 videos out of my archive. They're not really all that bad, but each of them can use a little help and make them a little bit tighter. So here's a quick rundown of those 4 clips I mentioned. The first one is a wedding from way back that I shot on a Canon 5D Mark II, which used to be a wedding photographer's dream camera. I did a little bit cleanup on it, slow motion, upscale, balance out the color. And the next clip was from Belize. I was documenting an expedition. I shot that at an old Olympus EM1 Mark I, the very first Micro Four Thirds for professionals from that camera. Clip 3, 4K video. I shot at high ISO. My wife was making kimchi fried rice, and I was just using the dim light in our cabin to film it. The last clip is a video of my lab Charlie. I'm just gonna upscale that and apply slow motion. Now I'm gonna speed up those parts of the video because it could be excruciating watching things render out, but I just wanted to give you an example. If you are wondering how long it takes to render each clip, well, first, it depends on the clip and what you're doing to it, but my experience with these short clips that I'm using here is about 2 to 3 minutes. And you can use the turbo function on this if you don't want to wait that long, but I figure I'll let it just run out for the best quality. And overall, it worked out a lot faster than I thought it would. Obviously, the more GPU cores you have, the faster it's going to work, so keep that in mind. So here's the verdict. The software did exactly as advertised. It used both the CPU and GPU to render out the files, and I didn't have any freezing or crashes. Overall, it's a really good way to enhance your videos and use artificial intelligence to do the heavy lifting.